Hey folks, welcome back to Flow Autobody. So today we got a nice small job. The colour is an Austral Blue Pearl. It's a metallic water base. So today what we have a complete do-over on a front bar, left-hand front guard, and blend the left-hand front door. So the way that we'll be doing this, first we'll be putting down our ground coat, our wet on wet, a nice dark grey neutral coat, and then after that, once we put one really nice coat of that on, we'll then start putting on our colour, put on our 3 coats, our technique coat afterwards, blend it all through, make sure it's all nice and even, and then we'll clear it, and then that's job complete.
Like and subscribe to our socials if you like the content of this video, and looking forward to seeing your comments below.